It's gonna be alright. Melty has got a mind to compensate for dimwits and dumbasses and no things. Oh shit! She busted me in the lip with something. You see that shit?
I'm not a fucking dimwit.
She's a dimwit, and I got a bloody lip now to prove it. Y'all seen it hit me? You seen it? Bloody lip. Look at the fucking blood coming out this goddamn son of a bitch. She fucking humped me. She got me good. Y'all seen it? It wasn't a shoe, but it was just as painful. The lip is fat and now I'm fucking... This shit is fucking... Been swelling up fatter. Show me the bitch.